Hello and welcome. This is a video on how to repair the cruise control on a Honda S2000. In this particular case, I don't have any issues with the fuse or with the engagement of cruise control, but rather the ability of cruise control to actually hold the speed. Now, on Honda S2000s, mostly American spec ones, you will have cruise control, and it's a mechanical cruise control, so there is a mechanism which will just simply push down on the pedal. And while I feel that that's working, once I set cruise and I let go of the accelerator, the car starts to decelerate, which is unwanted, trying to maintain on highway speeds and such. So I've went down and I found the source of this issue, and I have found an easy fix for this issue. Now, excuse the dusty car, but it gets pretty dusty sometimes where I live. Anyways, you're going to need these three tools in order to fix the cruise control holding issue. You're going to need a knife or anything to cut. I'm using a shiv just because I'm gangster like that. You're going to need a lighter, and you're going to need some shrink tube. Now, this is mainly for electric wires, and this is, I'll show you in here, it's a bit strong, it's a bit sturdy, it's not completely, it has some resistance basically, and you would need that down, and I'll show you why. So I've got a little bit better lighting right now, and after using my very gangster shiv, I have cut a small piece of this shrink tube. And if you're wondering about the diameter of this shrink tube in specific, this is just wide enough for me to be able to fit a regular size lighter inside of it. I apologize, I don't have the exact dimensions because I've purchased this about 5 years ago. Have not used this, and I say once again, this has glue on the inside. Once you apply heat, it will shrink and glue will come out and it will just stick to its place. Now, I've already cheated and I've actually applied it to the area, and I have waited for it to cure a little bit, but I will show you where and how you're going to do it. So again, after cutting a small piece, you should see where you're going to be able to mount it. It's very simple. You have your gas pedal over here, you have your mechanical cruise control right here, and once you engage this cruise control, this cable will pull, and this mechanism pushes against the gas pedal, which will do that to it. And the light's burning my hand. So anyways, this engagement point, this mating point, if you want to call it, between them is this little piece right here. And there is a plastic piece. I could show you from another video. In my case, this plastic piece is broken, so when this engages, it's falling into that little hole in the plastic, to my luck, and it's just not engaging. So I put a zip tie temporarily. While this was pushing in, it would just kind of go in and nothing, because there's nothing to actually hold it back, so cruise control would not engage. So anyways, I have got my my piece of shrink tube, put it around there and applied heat very carefully. I didn't burn anything in the surrounding area because you have plastics, and I have just waited for it to cure. It's been 5 minutes now and it's kind of stuck on, and I will be able to take it for a test drive in a little bit and check if the cruise control actually works.